Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Arshray 32GB DDR4 RAM kit, specifically designed for laptops and all-in-one PCs. This kit comes with two 16GB SODIMM modules, running at a speed of 2666MHz with a PC4-21300 rating and CL19 timings. For anyone looking to breathe new life into their aging laptop or boost the performance of their all-in-one, upgrading the RAM is often the most cost-effective solution. The Arshray kit promises to do just that, offering a significant capacity increase and a speed bump over standard configurations. The modules themselves are built to JEDEC standards, which is always a good sign. It means they've undergone rigorous testing to ensure stability, longevity, and optimal performance. This is crucial for laptop RAM, as heat and power consumption are key considerations. Installation is straightforward, as it should be with SODIMM modules. Arshray emphasizes that no specialized computer knowledge is required. Simply unscrew the back panel of your laptop, align the notch on the RAM module with the slot, and gently push it in until it clicks. Of course, always make sure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from the power adapter before you start fiddling with the internals. The benefits of upgrading to 32GB of RAM are numerous, especially if you're coming from 8GB or even 16GB. You'll notice snappier multitasking, faster application loading times, and smoother performance in demanding applications like video editing software or games. The 2666MHz speed also provides a decent boost over slower RAM modules, contributing to overall system responsiveness. The Arshray kit is a dual-rank configuration, 2RX8, which can offer a slight performance advantage in certain systems compared to single-rank modules. This is something to keep in mind, although the difference may not be noticeable in all scenarios. Overall, the Arshray 32GB DDR4 2666MHz SODIMM kit appears to be a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop's memory. It offers a good balance of capacity, speed, and reliability, all at a competitive price point. If your laptop is feeling sluggish, this could be just the upgrade it needs to get back up to speed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.